do anything you want when you said.
What's going on, guys? Welcome back to a brand new video. It's me. I'm back. What's up? Took a break. I'm back. Now what? What do you have to say? What do you have to say? I'm gonna tell you where I've been. I've been on TikTok. Follow me on TikTok. I've been grinding on there. A couple thousand followers, you know. Nothing special. No, I'm just kidding. We're gonna be discussing how to grow on TikTok, basically. I have a couple tips for you guys. Now, before we get into this video, I just want to let you know that these tips are these are based off me. I didn't get these from the TikTok headquarters or somebody else. This is just how I grew on the platform. So I have a couple of notes on my phone, and I need a new phone, so.
Mom and Dad, can you give me a new phone, please?
TikTok tip number 1. You want to switch your account to a pro account, and basically the pro account shows you all your analytics and everything, like if your video shows up on the For You page, or if your hashtags had anything to do with the growth of your video, how many likes, how many shares, how many comments, you know, stuff like that. First thing you want to do is you want to go to your settings. Your settings is the little bar, and then you want to go to manage my account, and then at the bottom it should say switch back to, well, it should say switch to pro account, but mine says switch to personal account because I already have a pro account. And basically I'll show you what the pro account. So here's one of my here's one of my videos. So you click on the 3 dots at the bottom, and it should say analytics right there, and it shows you how many likes you got, how many comments, how many shares, the total play time, total views, average watch time. And it's really good when your video is when your average watch time is more than the actual video. So the actual video was 6 seconds and people watch, the average watch time was 8 seconds. So this one, people that were following me, 62% of the people that follow me, this reached them. And on the For You page, it's 35%, which is kind of low, but you know. I'll show you another video where the percentage is high for the For You page. So I actually have 2 viral videos on my account, and by viral I mean over 1 million views. So let me show you. So for example, this video right here, I think this one, yes, this is on the For You page, 89%, 13 more views, 3,000 more shares, yeah. And then here's another video. This is another one, and this one has 96% on the For You page. So it just, you know, it varies. That's the first thing I would recommend for you to do, is to switch it to a pro account, because it honestly helps. It shows which video works, which video doesn't work. Next tip is the For You page is your best friend. And what I mean by that is that's where basically most creators get their video ideas from.
Won't you see without my eyes?
This is basically the For You page. So yeah, just throughout the day I would go on the For You page and just keep scrolling until you find a trend or something like that, or a video that you want to do, and just replicate that video. So for example, a trend, I'm going to show you one of the trends. This one right here. Basically, do the trend, but do it with a twist. So whatever you find on your For You page, whatever trend you find on your For You page, do the trend, but do it with a twist. You want to write down your ideas in notes. So in my notes, I actually have a little folder called Goal on TikTok. It's 100K, and I just have a bunch of ideas from when I started. So basically, you know, once I find my trend that I'm gonna do, I always write down my ideas, because it's just better. It just helps you think more. The first tip I'm going to be talking about is hashtags, guys. Now, hashtags are important, but they're not as important as your content, okay? I know we said hashtags, but let me say something about content real quick. Your content is key. If your content is trash, you're not going to get any views, you're not going to get any likes, none of that. Your content has to be on point, okay? Like, if you're going to post stuff, if you're going to post videos, your content has to be on point. Otherwise, no one's gonna watch it, and you're not gonna get any views. And that's why some of people's videos aren't as good as they want it to be. So they post a video and they're like expecting for it to like blow up or whatever, and it doesn't, just because your content is trash. You need to change your content up, okay? Because that, my friend, is not good. Change your content up, okay? What did that have the correlation do?
What?
When you download the pro account, you can see that the hashtags really aren't a big fact. Well, for me personally, it might be for you. For me personally, they don't really affect my videos that much, but I feel like it does make a difference. I don't know how, but I feel like it does. First things first, for me, when I first started, and up to like mid, I would say mid-April, I would not use hashtag for you page, hashtag for you page challenge, none of that. I didn't use any of that, okay? I'm not saying don't use it. I mean, I've seen many creators use it and it works for them, but for me personally, it doesn't work for me. Like, it just doesn't. The for you page hashtag, I feel like it boosts my content. It's like a 50-50 chance, guys. For me, I use hashtag for you page, it 50% chance it works, 50% chance it doesn't work, so I don't really like to use it. Now, I'm not gonna lie, through April, like the last couple weeks of April, I did use it just to test it out and see if it would work. It would work sometimes, but not all the time, so that's why I just stopped using it, because it's like, bro, like, no. What I like to do, 2 to 3 hashtags on my videos. Okay, so I have the video right here, basically. So you guys can definitely follow me on TikTok, and y'all can go like this video that I'm about to post. It's basically talking about 2020 and like all the events that are happening, because it's been a crazy year. It's been an absolute crazy year. So the first hashtag I would want to use is 2020, okay? And then the second hashtag, I think you just I would say try it, okay? Like, it's not gonna waste your time. We are stuck in the house all day, so I would just say try it, okay? Do a video without using hashtag for you page. Just try to make hashtags surrounding the video. So hashtag 2020 is one of them. Hashtag psych. Psych is another one, because that's a part of the video. And then hashtag, do a third one. Hashtag hashtag plot twist, because it's definitely a plot twist. Okay, so hashtag plot twist, and then we're just gonna post it. So now it is posted. Now we're always be your own supporter, guys. Like your own videos. Just experiment with the hashtags. I'm not saying, some people, when they use hashtags, some people don't even have to use hashtags, okay? And maybe it works for them. But find whatever works for you and do that, okay? For me, it's not using hashtag for you page. That's like a 50-50 chance, and I don't want to risk it. Like, let's say I put out a good piece of content and I use that and it just brings my video down. I don't want to use it, okay? I don't really know that much about hashtags and how. I think, for me, I think it just categorizes your video and puts it like in a certain, like, you know, niche. But some people say when you use hashtag for you page, it can like weigh it down. I don't know, okay? I just don't use it, okay? I tried it, didn't like it. No, I'm not using it. Simple. Using a lot of hashtags, I feel like it's not good. I feel like it works for some, it may work, but it looks really messy. Like, if you want that clean look, you know, I recommend just putting 2 to 4 hashtags, okay? Just 2 to 4. Use the For You page as a guide to what you should post on your account, because that can really help. Also, guys, I'm into Instagram, so if you want to, you know, follow me on the Instagram. That's it for today, guys. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe for more videos. Turn on post notifications, because I will be posting some more videos. You know, we have a bunch of time now. Can't even go anywhere. I will see you in the next video. Peace. Yeah.